Hello everybody, here is a very nice exponential expression and we have 3x 3 raised to power x minus 2 raised to power x is equal to 65 and we are interested to find the value of x. Okay, now a simple technique will not work here. We have to use a certain trick to solve this exponential expression. In order to solve this expression, first of all we take the expression 3 raised to power x minus 2 raised to power x is equal to 65. Okay, first of all we can multiply and divide 2 here. We simply take x multiplied by 2 over 2. There will be no effect because 2 over 2 is equal to 1. And we will similarly work 2x into 2 over 2 is equal to 65. Okay. Now, what we will do next? We know that we can interchange. We have a very simple algebraic technique that if we have a raised to power p into q, it can be written as a raised to power p whole power q. By using this technique, what we will do, we simply rewrite it as 3 raised to power x over 2 into 2 minus 2 raised to power x over 2 into 2 is equal to 65. Now using this formula, what we will do next, we can write it as it is 3 raised to power x over 2 and whole square minus 2 raised to power x over 2 whole square is equal to 65. Okay, now we can use some other variable here. By putting some other variable, just we will put 3 raised to power x over 2 as m and 2 raised to power x over 2 as n. So the above expression can be rewrite as m square minus n square is equal to 65. So we have very nice expression now. It is very simple and we have very interesting formula that a square minus b square is always equal to a plus b into a minus b. By using this formula on the left hand side of above expression, what we will get, we simply have m plus n multiplied by m minus n is equal to 65. So now we have very interesting factorization here. On the left hand side we have 2 factor and 65 also have the factorization as 65 can be written as 13 into 5. This is 13 into 5. So here is m plus n into m minus n is equal to 13 into 5. From here we can see that we can easily deduce that m plus n is simply is equal to 13 and m minus n is equal to 5. So we have these two deductions from here. So now further, if we further proceed it, what we have next, by these two expressions m plus n and m minus n, by adding these two expressions, it is our first expression and this is our second one. By adding these two expressions, by adding above two expressions, what we will have, we simply have 2m is equal to 18. From here what we will have next, we simply have m is equal to 9. what we have, m is simply is equal to 9. Okay, what we have next, if m is equal to 9, by putting m equal to 9 into the first expression, what we will get simply 9 plus n is equal to 13. From here n is equal to 4. So we have two values of m and n. No, m is equal to 9 and n is equal to 4. By putting the values of m and n in the original expression, if we will go on our original expression, what we actually have, we have simply m is equal to 3 raised to power x over 2 and n is equal to 2 raised to power x over 2 simply. So by putting the values of m and n here, by putting values of m and n, what we will get, 9 is equal to simply 3 raised to power x over 2. So by rewriting this expression, I can write 9 as 3 raised to power 2 is equal to 3 raised to power x over 2. By comparison of powers, simply x over 2 is equal to 2 and x is equal to 4. Similarly, we can put here, and from the second expression also we will get the value of x is equal to 4. So our original problem is simply by verification. If in order to verify our problem, what was our original problem? Original problem was 3 raised to power x minus 2 raised to power x is equal to 65. By putting the value of x here, simply 3 raised to power 4 minus 2 raised to power 4, what we will have, it is actually 3 raised to power 4 is 81 minus 16, and we will get simply 65. So 65 is equal to 65. So our answer is verified. Thank you for watching the video.